Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Epson Workforce 7840DTWF. This printer, I'm just gonna quickly show you how to remove the ink cartridges is what I want to show you. Okay, so to remove the ink cartridges is what we're going to do. So if we leave this printer up, the ink cartridges holder is right here in the corner. You can see the inks is using 405 ink. So what we want to do is to show you the process to replace this. This needs to come to the center corner here, or center if you like, and angle with this line for us to be able to remove it. And to do that, what we need to do is close this. Okay, and now first of all we need to you can register to connect Epson to connect Epson Connect. Remind me later, yes. Okay, so this, we're just gonna wait for this printer to be ready, then we'll go from there. So this printer, you switch this printer on and off from here. This printer is very beautiful. It's with ADF, automatic document feeder. Several paper tray. So you got paper tray number 1, 2, and also at the back. Okay. This is ADF. So what we're doing is just waiting for the printer to be ready. Here we go. So this printer right now is ready. So what we need to do is we need to, this is the go to the ink or printer statue. You can see the inks level, the full up. If you want to close it, close. Then this is the menu: copy, scan, fax, preset. Okay, go to the settings. Okay, once you go to the settings, go to maintenance. You can see print quality adjustment, print head nozzle, print head cleaning. Okay, here we go. The next, after print head alignment, you can see ink cartridges replacement, paper guide cleaning, remove paper. So what we want to do is ink cartridges replacement. Replace the ink. Replace the ink cartridges. Let's click start. Okay, so now leave the scanner and replace the ink. So leave the scanner this way. There we go. You can see the ink is moving. It will come right in the middle. Here we go. It aligns up properly with the line. Okay, you can see align properly with the line. Just need to. Okay, so now to remove the ink, you just need to decide which one you want to start with. Start with black, which is BK. This printer is using ink 405, so this is BK black 405. Okay, and do the same thing to cyan. This is cyan 405. magenta is the next, the list. There we go. And while you are doing this, you also look on the screen. You will see those ones that will remove already are empty. So the one that is available now is yellow. We need to remove yellow as well. So you take the yellow. Here we go. This is the yellow. Okay. So this is how to remove the ink or replace it. These are the ink. This printer is using 405. Removed safely. Now close it. Okay. Close the scanner unit. It's closing now. Here we go. And you can see it's showing us install the ink cartridges correctly. So it's showing us that now that the ink are not on it are removed correctly. Okay, so the next we need to do is click close, and it will close it. Then you can go back to the home page, to the main menu. Okay, so from the menu here you can see copy, scan, fax, okay, preset, memory service, a memory device, fax bus, confidentiality. Okay, so this printer is very good. It's for businesses, for office work, for big organization. These are the paper trays. You can see this is the paper tray number 1. This is the paper tray number 2. Okay, this printer is beautiful. Nice. If you look here, you see can print, copy and scan, fax, auto two-sided print, auto two-sided copy and scan, paper capacity 500, rear paper feed, touch screen, Wi-Fi and Ethernet, ready print. So this is the rear paper feed here. ADF. Check the full video on my channel. So I thought to show you, it's a request to someone asked how to replace the ink safely. Okay, so now switch this off, turn off the power. Yes, there we go. Okay, thank you.